Hi, myself Pawan from igus India. I am the rider today. We are at Energy Pack. Let's go in.
To be frank with you, moreover in the food industry it will be very helpful where the lubrication may not be required, and we have found such a good alternative in that area and we are happy with that.
Very new, out of the box thinking from igus, and it also shows that you really care for the environment.
Hi everyone, myself Jay from igus India. Today we are here at Makino India, one of the biggest and premium machine tool builder. We are here for igus bike tour. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, we are all nowadays worried about environment, sustainability, and as a part of the igus initiative, I hope this will be a big success, and we all must contribute to the environmental cause and support this.
igus is the one which they make critical part for us as a drag chain assembly.
Usage of ocean waste is recycled. It's a good initiative.
Of course, it will be great for our nature as part of the SGD program.
So being eco-friendly, you are come out with a global, noble cause, noble process.
Sustainability is a keyword today. So I really appreciate igus efforts to have this cycle made out of ocean plastics and then completely with the sustainable material. It's really a great initiative. I rode this vehicle personally and I find it very light to move.
And I think the next version will be very friendly for us also as a women.
And when you go with a rounding, it's very good one and lightweight, and anybody can drive it, and they meet the requirements.